Welcome, I'm Jonathan H., and today we're tackling a big question. Can universities still prepare students for careers in a rapidly changing job market? The old model, degree equals job, doesn't always hold up anymore. Through years of research and consulting, I've seen what actually helps students launch successful careers. In this video, we'll break down 4 proven strategies that turn a degree into a true career launchpad. Let's dive in. You can't learn to swim by reading about it, and you can't become career-ready by lectures alone. Experiential learning internships, co-ops, service projects, and real-world simulations bridges the gap between theory and practice. These experiences teach students not just technical skills, but also how to navigate teams, communicate professionally, and solve real problems. For example, a computer science student at a startup learns to code, collaborate, and contribute to real projects. Research shows students with hands-on experience are more confident, skilled, and clear about their career paths. Universities like Drexel and WPI have built their reputations on this approach, and their graduates thrive. Experiential learning lets students test drive careers, make mistakes, and build a portfolio that employers value. It's not just about knowledge, it's about building professional muscle memory. That's what sets career-ready graduates apart. Hands-on experience is vital, but students also need to understand themselves and the job market. Career management and self-awareness should be woven into the curriculum from day one. Imagine first-year seminars with strengths assessments, sophomore classes on LinkedIn profiles, and senior capstones with mock interviews and career plans. Regular coaching and advising help students connect their experiences and clarify their goals. This isn't just about resumes, it's about building a mindset of intentional career design. When students learn to articulate their strengths and navigate opportunities, they become architects of their own futures. Career readiness is a skill set that pays off for a lifetime. Universities must make it a core part of education. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And universities can make that work for students. The best schools build real partnerships with employers, sponsored projects, job shadowing, and mentorships. Alumni networks are a goldmine. Structured programs connect students with graduates for advice and opportunities. These connections give students insider knowledge, professional skills, and social capital. Micro-experiences like job shadowing help students make informed choices before committing to a path. Networking isn't just about finding a job, it's about learning the language and culture of a profession. By embedding these connections, universities help students enter the workforce with confidence and clarity. It's about acculturation, not just placement. That's how you open doors that last. Great programs need resources, and that means making a compelling case for investment. Universities must track and share data, internship rates, job outcomes, and student satisfaction. First destination surveys and employment stats show the impact of career initiatives, but numbers alone aren't enough. Pair them with student success stories to bring the data to life. Share testimonials, videos, and real outcomes to inspire stakeholders. When leaders see both evidence and emotion, they're more likely to invest. Career readiness isn't a cost, it's a strategic advantage that boosts enrollment, reputation, and alumni support. The business case is clear. Investing in career education pays off for everyone. Make it a priority. To recap, experiential learning, career management, employer connections, and clear communication are the keys to preparing students for the future. These aren't extras. They're essentials for a modern education. The world is changing fast, and our students deserve to graduate ready to thrive. It's up to all of us, faculty, alumni, employers, to champion this shift. Let's build a future where every graduate is truly career ready. Thanks for watching. Share these ideas and let's make it happen.